Introducing the powerful integration of Calilio and Pipedrive, a seamless combination of cloud telephony and customer relationship management to elevate your sales efficiency like never before. With this integration, you can make in-app calls, track call activities, and manage your entire communication flow, all from within your Pipedrive CRM. Let's walk you through how to integrate Calilio with Pipedrive using both platforms, starting with Calilio. Method 1. Integrating via Calilio 1. First, log into your Calilio account. 2. From the dashboard, go to Settings, then navigate to the Integrations tab. 3. Scroll through the list and select Pipedrive. Click on Connect. You'll be redirected to the Pipedrive login page. 5. If you're not already signed in, log in or create a new account. 6. Once logged in, confirm the integration by clicking Continue to App. Just like that, your Calilio account is now integrated with Pipedrive. Method 2. Integrating via Pipedrive Marketplace 1. Log into your Pipedrive account. 2. On the dashboard, click the Marketplace icon on the left menu. 3. Use the search bar to look for Calilio. Select the Calilio app, and on the integration page, click Authorize. 5. Review the terms and conditions, then click Allow and Install. 6. You'll be redirected to Calilio's login page if you're not already signed in. If you're logged in, you'll go straight to the integration confirmation page. Why Calilio plus Pipedrive? This integration not only boosts productivity, but gives your sales team the tools they need to close deals faster, track communications smarter, and connect with leads effortlessly. So what are you waiting for? Integrate Calilio with Pipedrive today and take your sales workflow to the next level.